Hello, Russell here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be priming and painting this Marvel Studios logo. There's a link in the description so you can download your own. Now I've already gone ahead and sanded both of them with 80 grit and then 120 grit sandpaper, and then I've given them a wash. Now I'm ready to prime them. I'm going to use this P.L.A High 5 high build primer. You can find that in Halfords in the UK, or you can just find it online. And I'm going to start with the Marvel first and then do the Studios. So I'm going to get my respirator on and get cracking. Okay guys, the primer's now dry and it's ready to be wet sanded. I've got 800 grit wet and dry sandpaper and warm soapy water. I'll go over it all and get it as flat as I can, and then dry it, and then I'll give it another 2 coats of high build primer. Okay guys, everything's now painted. Now the next step is to super glue all the letters in place. Okay guys, they're now finished and I think they look awesome. I'm very happy with them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked it, please leave a like, and if you've got any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next build.